Hey, what's happening? We're going to break down a Russian twist for you today. So, a little pet peeve of mine, I often see people just doing this super sloppy and not very controlled and just clean, I guess. So, we'll set this up properly. Okay, sitting up tall. I want you to open these shoulders up, roll these hips forward so that we don't have a slouching and a rounding in our low back. Okay, so sitting up tall, keep that the entire way. Now we've got a nice clean neutral spine. We're leaning back with it, okay? Leaning back, the further you lean back, your feet may start to come off the ground. And then from there, this chest stays nice and proud. We don't start to roll in because then that lower back will fall out. Sit up tall, lean back, and then I like to keep hands right in front of my shoulders the whole way. Not worry about how far I'm reaching, because once I get to here, it's all on the shoulders. And then, and you're not moving through your core anymore. So sit tall, lean back, boom. You can take this slow and controlled. I like to get to the end range of motion. Just press into that a little more. Okay, if you need to add weight, you can add a dumbbell, a ball, medicine ball, something like that. And you're starting to rotate side to side. Weight, hands, stay straight in line. Head, shoulders, hips, in line with everything the whole way through. Okay, if you want to pick the pace up on that, you can. If you want to pick your feet up, you can. But the main thing is keeping this core nice and set and strong and going into it from there. So keep that core strong, Russian twist clean, and you'll feel better and stronger all the way. So see you soon. Take care.